Welcome back to my channel DKB English Learning. Today we are celebrating Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday. First upon all my dear teachers, happy Teachers Day. Today we are learn Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan about some points. Okay, start the learning. First point. Born 5 September 1888. Tiruttani, Tamil Nadu. Education. Studied philosophy at Madras Christian College. Profession. Great philosopher, teacher, writer, and statesman. Fourth one, special contribution. Introduce Indian philosophy to the Western world. Fifth one, Vice President of India 1952 to 1962. Sixth one, President of India 1962 to 1967, second President of India. Seventh one, Teachers Day. His birthday, 5th September, is celebrated as a Teachers Day in India to honor his love for teaching. Eighth one, awards. Honored with Bharat Ratna in 1954, India's highest civilian award. Ninth one, death 17 April 1975 in Chennai. Last one point, he was the best teacher and President of India. Thank you. Once again, all my dear teachers, happy Teachers Day.